So the other side of the fence, who were worried? The parents were worried. Why they were worried? They were upset. Upset means they were so frightened and scared. What's happening to their children? They were searching all over. They could not find them. They were so helpless and hopeless. They couldn't do anything. And then what happened? Let us see. Suddenly Sankita heard Moti barking. Deepak, Sinath and Javed ran towards the sound. They were overjoyed to find Moti running towards them. So they were all sitting in the tin shed, and the other side of the fence, parents were much worried, not finding the children. They were not eating, they were not sleeping. Suddenly they heard a sound. What was the sound? The dog was barking and then coming towards them. To see the dog, they were so happy. Overjoyed means they were so thrilled to see the dog back. Jumping with joy, the children slipped into their village through the bushes. So now, seeing the dog coming back, they all slipped again. Slowly they, came through that bushes one by one into the other side of the fence. The parents heard their voices and rushed out. They were about to scold them, but before they could say anything, the children started narrating the incident. Everyone listened with interest. So it is a natural process that when the children are missing, parents will be so upset. But when they come back, the first tendency is to scold them. That is the usual thing happens in every family. Same way here also, the parents wanted to get angry with them, shout at them, but before that they didn't give a chance for the parents to talk. Before that they started narrating, started telling what all had happened. They told that they were missing the dog, then they were searching all over, then what all they would have said. Yes, they would have become very tired. Then Sinath told them, let's take some rest, and after that we'll search for the dog. And finally, what happened? Suddenly they heard the dog barking, and that's how they returned. Okay. One day, Javed's neighbor Adil saw Moti going to the other side through the bushes. He immediately shouted, "Stop him, Javed, stop him. That is the enemy's side." Now, so the dog was missing. Where did this dog go? Now they will know where this dog went. It was the other side of the bushes. And he saw slowly who was going, Moti going, and he told to stop him. It's the other side of the enemy side, that is. Enemy side means not friendly with us. It was a holiday. Javed, Adil and Deepak were playing the game of horse riding on the branch of a tree. You can see in this page here, see on the branch, they were playing horse. They were sitting and they were going like as if they were on top of the horse. They were playing horse game with the tree of the branch of the tree. And who all were they? Yes, it was holiday, so they were playing. Javed, Adil and Deepak, they were playing a game of a horse riding. On what? On a branch of a tree. The tree was very close to the fence. All of a sudden, they found two boys staring at them from the other side of the border. Other side of the border means our country has a border, and at the border of our country is Pakistan, isn't it? Yes. So then Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, all this the border side of the country. So what did they see? Yes, as they were playing, they found two boys were staring at them. Staring means looking, yes, sharply into them, looking at one point and standing. Then the tree was very close to the fence. Where was this tree? Tree was very near. Close means very near to the fence. All of a sudden means suddenly they found two boys staring at them, looking at them from the other side of the border. Not the other side of the fence, other side of the border. That means dividing the country. So between two countries there will be a border. So from the other side, two boys were looking. Javed asked them, "Do you want to ride a horse? So Javed was very sweet. He asked, do you want to ride a horse? That means you want to come and play with us on this branch of the tree. Do you want to do the horse riding? It seemed like both the boys were waiting for this invitation. Yes, so they were just staring at them, but they were just waiting for them to ask them to come to side and join them to play with them. They were actually waiting for that invitation. They said yes and came in through the bushes. They came from the other border. There are bushes. They came through that. And what happened? Javed asked their names. They were Shaukat and Sajjad. What were their names? Shaukat and Sajjad. Adil was not happy about the new boys joining the game. So this Adil is little bit jealous type. So he did not like them coming and joining them. But Javed was very sweet. Javed invited them to come over here to play with them. But this Adil, he didn't like them joining his friend. They were Shaukat and Sajjad. Adil was not happy about the new boys joining the games. He pushed Sajjad down and pretended as if he had slipped while playing. So what did he do? He pushed that boy down. And he acted like it was not happened from his side, because he didn't like him coming and joining them. Okay. Sajjad shrieked in pain. He was in terrible pain. Shrieked in pain means he was having the pain the way he pushed him down. He was not able to get up. Deepak and Javed became anxious. Along with Shaukat, they tried to lift Sajjad, but they could not. They asked Adil to give a hand. Very reluctantly, that means he didn't want to do it, Adil joined them. They went through the bushes and reached Sajjad's house on the other side of the fence. Now, as he fell down, he was having terrible pain, and he asked Adil to just give a helping hand, but he was not at all willing to do that. But without this, wholehearted feeling, without that, he did not have that he should help that boy. Very reluctantly means that without liking it, he somehow helped him to get up. Sajjad's Ammi means your mother, was alone at home. She blessed the children for helping her son. So she said, very good children, Yola. God bless you. Bless the children means saying something good words to them. Said, at least you were good enough to help my son to get up, and Yola, very nice children. And what did Ammi do next? Let's see. Then she came out with a big bowl of halwa in one hand and some bowls and spoons in the other. All the children sat together and enjoyed the halwa. It was delicious. Adil even asked for a second helping. So, first she blessed the children. She would have thanked them. She would have said, you all are very good children. God bless you. This is how you should be also. When somebody is in need of help, you should not look at whether they are enemy or they are friend or anything. You should be ready to help them. When a person is in danger or when a person need help, you should be ready to help that person. So here, now they brought him to his house, and Sajjad's mother, what did she do? She brought, some bowls in one hand, and the other hand she had some halwa. It's a very tasty snack, that is, isn't it? Have you eaten? Yes. It's a soft kind of thing. It comes in different colors also, like black, white, red, green, yellow, that they add coloring. And it is made out of jaggery. Also you use sugar and maida and what else? Yes, these are the items they use to make that. Okay, so and then they make it into a thick paste and then remove and keep it on a plate, and it becomes, thick, soft stuff. And then after that you can put cashew nuts and raisins, and also you add ghee in it. Some people add ghee, some people add oil in it, coconut oil. I don't know, depends on each one's taste. So that is called halwa. It's a soft snack. Okay. So now she brought some spoons and some bowls, and she served them with the halwa. And even Javed asked for second time. She asked for he. Okay. He also asked for second helping, means he asked some more halwa to serve for the second time, and she even gave him second helping also he had, and they returned. Okay. Now this so much only I am taking today because I don't want to continue with it. The next portion I keep it for the next class. So what you have to do is learn the word meanings, and please read the lesson thoroughly at least 5 or 6 times. Okay. So don't waste your time. Learn the word meanings and learn the words which are tough in this. If you can't repeatedly say, you write it down. As you're writing it down, please repeat it. Repeat means say and write. Okay. So see you in the next class. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.